Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about black holes. Black holes are regions of spacetimes where gravity is so strong that nothing, including light or other electromagnetic waves, has enough energy to escape its event horizon. The theory of general relativity predicts that a sufficiently compact mass can deform spacetime to form a black hole. These supermassive bodies are formed through a clash of universal energy ripples or through a stellar collapse. The first black hole known was Cygnus X1. After these bodies are formed, they can grow rapidly by absorbing mass from its surroundings. If other stars are orbiting a black hole, their orbits can be used to determine the location and mass of the black hole. In this way, astronomers have identified numerous stellar black hole candidates in binary system and established that the radio source known as Sagittarius A at the core of the Milky Way galaxy contains a supermassive black hole of about 4.3 million solar masses. John Michell in a letter published in November 1784 proposed briefly the idea of a body so big that even light could not escape. Michell's calculations assumed that such a body might have the same density as the Sun and concluded that one will form when a star's diameter exceeds the Sun's by a factor of 500 and its surface escape velocity exceeds the usual speed of light. Michel called these bodies dark stars. In 1915, Albert Einstein developed his theory of general relativity, having earlier shown that gravity does influence light motion. Only a few months later, Karl Schwarzschild found a solution to the Einstein's field equation that described the gravitational field of a point mass and a spherical mass. The nature of this surface was not quite understood at the time. In 1924, Arthur Eddington showed that the singularity disappeared after a change of coordinate. Arthur Eddington did, however, comment on the possibility of a star with mass compressed to the Schwarzschild radius in a 1926 book, noting that Einstein's theory allows us to rule out overly large densities of the Sun. Black holes are real. They don't emit or reflect light, making them effectively invisible to telescopes. Black holes can be surrounded by rings of gas and dust called accretion disks that emit light across many wavelengths, including X-rays.